New York City, and there's one that stands out among them all. It's halal food. You see it everywhere. The carts are all over the place. They smell amazing. That rice, the chicken, the lamb. You know, it's not hot dogs, it's halal, but more on that later. We've always wanted to do a halal crawl in a video like this, but there's only one problem. There's just two of us, two stomachs.
It's so hard.
Yes.
With all that rice.
So, we need some help. And you may know this guy. This guy's eaten some of the worst rated food in New York City. But today we're gonna bring him to some of the best halal spots.
And it's Tao from Traveling Class.
Hi everybody. Excited to eat some delicious halal food today with Greg and Jumi.
Woo! Let's
do it. Yeah, first stop here.
Walking in.
Yep. Right. So our first stop today is Royal Grill Halal. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this red chicken.
It looks so good.
We got minimal sauce on this because there's so much flavor in this chicken. We didn't need the white sauce because it's got a little green, and we got this special mango pickle. They don't even offer it to you. You gotta ask them for it.
Look at that. Are you not hungry? I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell this.
Watching this, and they won, and I was a little surprised. Like I was like, well, you know, we have some other favorites here. You know, I tried them out. And I'm like, okay, this is solid, but it turns out I ended up ordering the wrong thing. I didn't order the chicken tikka masala. I just ordered chicken over rice. It's a big difference. And that's why it pays to know what to order at each place. I can't stress that enough.
Right, let's dig in.
It's that red chicken right there. Some of that rice. There's even some bell peppers, some green pepper here, there's tomatoes, onions. There's so much going on in here. This is like a restaurant quality plate of food. There's even peas. I see some cumin seeds in here. Damn, this is juicy and tender. The meat alone has that spice. That's why I didn't ask for any hot sauce. There's already spice in here. Got that crunch from the veggies. The mango adds a little tanginess to it too. It brings it all together. You got the spice, you got the tangy, you got the cumin in there. And then let's take a little bit of rice by itself. Oh, that rice is flavorful. I didn't even need to swallow right away. I just could taste it
Good
right
rice,
away.
huh?
That's bomb. Yeah, we're missing.
Incredible. So we're starting off on a real bang. I'm very excited to see what comes next.
About one lamb over rice, please. So we have the lamb over rice. So this isn't, you go to a lot of halal carts, the lamb is that processed fake gyro meat. There's that gray mystery meat block.
This one looks crazy.
Yeah.
This one looks insanely amazing.
This is actual slices of lamb. And we have some tzatziki sauce. It's actually made with yogurt. Quick meal. This one is actually founded by a guy who used to work at the Russian Tea Room, a high-end restaurant here in New York City. Fun fact, my pops used to be a waiter there back in the day. And so it only makes sense that he had this high-end, higher quality halal. And it's still $9, which in the grand scheme of things, ain't that much money. It's better than a lot of meals you're gonna get for triple this price. It's real lamb, no mystery meat here. This is the good stuff, real tzatziki, no BS. That piece right here has got that hot sauce on it, up close. Oh, it smells so good. That's real lamb right there. And the beauty of it, a lot of people don't like lamb. I don't know, they're not my kind of people, I guess, sorry. But a lot of people don't like lamb because there's a gamey flavor. You don't have any of that in here. This just tastes like delicious, tender, flavorful meat, and you have that hot sauce on top. Man, look how much they give you too. You may scoff at that $9 price tag at first, but look how much lamb they give you here. They're not skimping at all. High quality ingredients, and it's worth it. You can really taste that yogurt from the tzatziki there. It's like, it's that tang that you want in a tzatziki sauce. It's awesome.
I can't agree more. People who don't like lamb are not my type of people.
So I first tried this cart. My stepdad put me on to when he used to work around here. He actually, for the first time, he brought me the salmon. He's like, get the salmon here. I'm like, fish from a cart. But you would believe it with this. The salmon is excellent. They use high quality ingredients here. You're not gonna get sick. You might be like, fish from a cart, why the hell would I ever do that? This is a cart you would do that from. You should definitely try it. If you don't eat meat, get the salmon there. It's awesome. But this lamb is the thing to get. If you don't like lamb, eat this. It should change your mind. Then there was a whole market for, people were asking, where can you get halal food? The taxi drivers was a big market, and it really popped off. It became so huge. So now it started from one cart here on 53rd Street, 6th Avenue, Midtown. Now it's a global empire. You have locations all over the U.S., brick and mortars. There's even locations in the Philippines, Indonesia, Canada, all over the world now. It's crazy. So let's see how it stacks up to what we have so far and then what we're going to have afterwards. This is how you know they are a well-oiled machine. We got this in like 2 seconds. I think a NASCAR pit crew couldn't beat how fast we got this. So we got the chicken over rice. This is the famous halal, guys. They gave us some pita with it as well. Now we're gonna put some sauces. We're gonna go classic, white sauce, hot sauce. So we got the chicken over rice. This is the most popular street food in New York City is halal. You're gonna find halal carts all over New York City. There's thousands probably all over the city, in every borough. You got from all over different countries. So the original owners are Egyptian. Now, I don't know, it's a huge corporation, but let's see how this shakes up. This started back in the 90s. This is always one of the most iconic places to visit New York City. For better, for worse, we'll tell you in a little while. Let's do this. Better than what I thought.
Yeah.
But not great.
No, definitely not great.
Yeah, even the chicken is not aggressively spiced. But the problem is, maybe we had too high of expectations. Some of these other places, they really put a lot of love and quality and care into it. They're putting cumin, they're putting all these other spices on it. Like that Royal Halal, look how much spice on the chicken alone. This one, they rely on the sauce. The other ones, they don't. The sauce is complemented. This, you have to have the sauce for it to really be the whole package. So, that's the difference. This is better than I remember it being. I remember not liking it at all when I had it before. It's a little better. I think also the fact that we mixed it together.
People who live here, they don't want to step out of their comfort zone every time they eat something.
Very good point. Especially that this white sauce is heavily mayo-based. Mayo is very popular in America, as we know. Now, the average American, I don't think can handle this hot sauce, even a little bit of it. Damn, it is crazy.
It's hot.
Hot sauce is hot.
Woo!
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, this is spicy.
This one's on fire.
Oh, thank you. Now it's time for Halal After Dark. We have headed from Manhattan to Queens. We're in Astoria now. We're at a legendary vendor, the king of falafel and shawarma. They're Vendy Award winners, 2010 Vendy Cup champs. Tal is ready. Because you know why? Because we got the proper stacked shawarma, beef and lamb here. And they got the falafel. The falafel, they gave us samples online. That's what they do here. They're generous, they're incredible. This cart is Palestinian. It's founded by the man, the myth, the legend, Freddy. He's a street food legend here in New York. And yeah, we're gonna do this. We just got tahini and hot sauce. No white sauce, doesn't need it. Let's go.
Here we go. Lamb shawarma with a little bit of beef.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh.
So we'll take a bite of this shawarma. Got a little hot sauce here. We got a little tahini here. We got a little bit of that basmati rice. Let's go. Yeah, it is a tad on the drier side. It's the end of the night. The spit is reduced to a tiny little cone, but it's still good flavor. There's one of the few trucks in the city you can get proper shawarma on the spit. Very rare. It's awesome. Ooh, that's the best bite so far right there. I taste those spices kicking in. A little cinnamon in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. In our neighborhood, we're here at our favorite halal cart. I'm coming here for well over 10 years. Fendi Award Champs 2006. Pakistani owned. They got so much flavor here. They got the secret green sauce that we asked for. They don't even ask you if you want it. You have to tell them. So we got that with the hot sauce and the white sauce. Chicken over rice. This stuff is so flavorful, so amazing. We could not pick a better place to end than here. Tal is ready to eat. We're ready to eat, even though we're really full. This stuff's amazing. Doing it.
Here we go. Sammy.
Get some with all that in there. The green sauce, red sauce.
Green sauce. We got some red sauce. We got some white sauce. We got some bro sauce.
Oh, so good.
Been eating this for a long time. Got some thoughts on this here. What I love about this cart is that the rice is so fragrant. It's got cumin seeds in there, actual cumin seeds, you'll see them. Sometimes you'll actually find whole cloves. Sometimes you might even find a cinnamon clove in here. That's how fragrant. You can eat this rice on its own, that's how fragrant and good it is. And what we love about it, the chicken is flavorful, juicy, it's fresh all the time. This cart is so popular, they even have Uber Eats and Postmates come in there. It's crazy. How many carts do you know that have the little iPad in there and Uber Eats is showing up? Not many. And they're here till 6 in the morning, late night. They get everybody here. In Jackson Heights, you got the cabbies. They've been doing this for a very, very long time. They're so popular, they even have a spot in Manhattan by Washington Square Park. The spot's incredible. What we love too, a lot of the places, I'm talking to you halal guys, you rely on the sauce very heavily. This, everything is so fragrant, so flavorful, the sauces complement it. You get that creamy white sauce that cools it. You get the spicy red sauce, and that green is like refreshing. That cilantro mint kick.
The chicken just tastes good.
It's incredible. Everything here works so well. I might be biased because I've loved this forever, but you know what? I'm not, because I was so full before I started eating this, and I can eat this all night. It's still the favorite for me. Even after all this tonight, it's solidified. I love it.
It's genuinely really good.
Still my favorite.
And I think it's just the fact this is like a classic halal food. Like the other ones I love too. Like some of them were just so advanced and like different marinades, but this is like a classic halal just done very, very, very well.
All right.
All right, we did it.
All right, we did it.
Yeah. Whew. Man, this is something we always wanted to do. We finally did it. We hit 5 of the best halal spots in New York City.
Yes.
Including the famous halal guys. A little overrated, we'll say there. You know, hot take. Not so hot take. But we had an amazing night tonight. Thanks to Tal from the Traveling Class for joining us tonight. Awesome
Thank you,
channel.
Tal.
This guy travels the world. He's been in New York City for a while. He's here just for a little while longer, so we wanted to get a video in with him. He's a great dude. Check him out. Subscribe. Great dude right here. And this has been an epic night. Smash that like button on this video, folks.
Smash it.
Smash it.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and comment. You want to be the first to comment, right? Yes, you do.
But I'll
Thanks.
probably be the first. I'm going to beat you too. So you gotta try to beat me.
Yeah, you got to compete with Tal here. I don't know. He's quick on the draw.
Thanks for watching. See